Welcome back, guys, and you guys made it. We're on the last video of the fusion section. Now we're going to be exporting out all 11 of these bodies and converting this BREP to mesh that we can use as an OBJ. So without further ado, let's jump right into that. So let's go to the create drop down and let's make our way to the bottom to where it says create base feature. Select that and let's go to the modify drop down and go to mesh. Let's go to BREP to mesh. And at this point, we can start selecting the bodies we want to export and convert over to a mesh. And really quick, before I continue, I just want to show you guys something really quick. And if we see the preview mesh here, if we check this on, you can see the topology of this is just disgusting. And this is the main reason why game studios and animation studios don't like working with CAD geometry, because the topology is just ruined and it's heavily dense. So something like this can't run in the game engine because the high poly count. So we're going to be moving over to Blender, and for the bonus feature I'll be doing this also in Maya, but for the main course we're going to be taking this over to Blender to retopologize this to make this a lot lower. And that's also a reason why I made these primitive shapes, so simple. Everything's pretty much boxed out, and we're going to get this detail onto a couple smaller faces. So without further ado, right here where it says surface deviation, let's take this slider and slide it all the way to the left. And this is going to take a little bit of time to compute, so I'll just pause it and I'll join back once it's complete. Alright, that part's done, but we still need to make this an OBJ. So once we're complete with that, we hit OK. And this will take a little bit of time to convert it over, so just go grab a drink and come back and it should be done. Alright, now that that's done, you can see the normals look a little weird here. So let's hit finish base feature. And quickly to the left, you'll see we have these new icons that's gold, and that just indicates and lets you know that it's now a mesh that we can export. And if we right click on this, we can see that we have option where we can save as OBJ, and that's what we're going to be doing for all of these bodies. And one thing we need to do is ensure that the suffix has underscore high at the end of it. So let's export this body out. So mesh body 12 will be door. So we're going to right click, save as OBJ, and save this to a place you'll remember. So I save this as into a new folder called high poly, and I'll save this as door underscore high. And I'll just toggle this off so I don't get confused with the rest of them, and I'll just make my way down the line. So this is pipe, so I'll right click, go to save as OBJ, save it as pipe underscore high. Move down, and this is trim 1, so save as OBJ, trim 1 underscore high, trim 2 underscore high. And this is really repetitive, but it needs to be done this way. Naming conventions are really vital. Door frame underscore high. This floor panel. Wall window panel. Underscore high. Wall panel 1. underscore high, wall panel 2, wall panel 1, just change this 1 to a 2, so I don't have to type the whole thing. Keypad, underscore high, and lastly we have the divider. Alright guys, so we're done in Fusion 360 and I'll catch you guys over in Blender.